Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of cool Amazon products. We do reviews on hotels and even make money online programs. But today we're gonna go ahead and do a review on my new knife set. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review. Let's check it out. Check it out. Comes with 3 of them in there. Oh, very nice. Look at that handle. Check out the other 2. Very nice. And the last one. All right, so let's actually test them out. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. So if you guys are looking for a new knife set, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.